How to fix Steam error code 105. You can see when I open a Steam the error message occurred. In this video I will show you method to solve the problem. First open Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click on your network connection and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Now open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Hit Enter. Hit Enter. Now restart your computer. Now open Steam application and your problem should be fixed.